If you're watching this right now, you are so blessed. This video is confirmation that God is about to bless you back to back to back. It's almost like a floodgate has been opened and everything in your life is going to get better from here on out. All your prayers have been answered. God hears you, He sees you, and He loves that you are just living life to the fullest at this time. You're going after your dreams, you're making better habits, you're releasing old patterns that no longer serve you. You no longer feel like a trapped victim in your own life. You see the purpose in everything. It guides you forward with wisdom and maturity, with discernment and confidence. It really is beginning to show how much work you're doing on yourself, and you're doing it all for God. That's the beautiful thing about this, is that you're honoring this gift that He has given you. And that gift is your life. Every single breath that you breathe is a miracle. It connects you to your life force. And that is where your purpose comes from. You were given life to live it to the fullest, to enjoy it and to learn lessons and to grow. And you finally understand that. You see your significance. You see your impact and your influence and why this work is so important to you, because you're so full of integrity, you're so honest, and that's held you accountable. That's given you the responsibility that most people won't carry, and you own it. You make it your thing, and that gives you so much um, authenticity and so much integrity that people admire, but you're so humble about it. And this is what God loves and cherishes the most, because it's comes from a place of pure intent where you know that even if you make mistakes, even if you don't fulfill the pressure that you put yourself under, you know that you are worthy no matter what, and that you deserve love and care and forgiveness even when you fail, even when you fall short. So this is all part of integrating all aspects of your being as a human. And that is what is rewarded. It's your heart that is rewarded. And because even when you are going against God and you fall short, it's not from a place of evilness or hatred or anger. It's literally just the human condition. And you're forgiven no matter what, again and again and again. But the faster you get up, the better things get in the long term, because you're not delaying your progress, you're not losing momentum, you're falling down and you're getting back up right away. And that momentum builds and builds and builds. And God rewards that because it carries you forward into new places, because faith without action is dead. It needs momentum. It needs your belief in yourself and your willingness to pick yourself back up. So just know that this is what is being rewarded at this time. Even when life is challenging, when you have this sort of heart posture, it keeps you calm, it keeps you grounded, and it keeps your eye on the things that matter the most. Therefore, you're not distracted, you're so focused, and you're willing to get up and try again, or you're willing to pause and reflect when you need to. And that is so powerful because it connects you back to the present moment, which connects you back to God. And so this relationship that you have between you and Him, it's so beautiful. It's turning into a friendship, and you go from being a disciple to being right next to God instead of behind Him. And the path gets so much easier when you're walking beside God, because nothing can touch you. So just know that the blessings are coming in, and it's going to be back to back to back to God, or because of God's presence in your life. So forgive my errors, forgive my misspoken parts. Just know that the message is there, and it is such an honor to show up so authentically and to be received and seen by this community. So I want you to know that I love you so much and I appreciate all your support. I wish I could message you all back individually, but just know that I love you so, so, so much, and I'm so proud of you. But just know God loves you more and He's even more proud of you than I am. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.